Huh? What is this? Be careful! Run! Oh no! I won't do it again! I promise! This is a beehive, the home of the little bees. Are there many bees in the beehive? Let's check it out! The world is amazing! Let's keep learning! Smart tablet! Activate!
Queen bee, also known as Queen Wa drone. Worker bee. Bee. Bees are insects. They are divided into queen bee, drones, and worker bees. A huge amount of bees forms a large family and live together in the beehive.
A beehive is like a big building with lots of bees in it. You're right. Hey, the little bees are talented architects. They build the beehive. It's a lot of fun inside the beehive. Wow! What is inside the beehive like? Kids, let's piece it together and check out what the beehive looks like. Let's piece together the beehive. Wow! What a beautiful shape! Look, each honeycomb cell in the beehive is in the shape of a hexagon of the same size. Some cells serve as warehouses for the storage of honey and pollen. There are also cells for the newborn baby bees.